this video, I'll show you how you can clear your cached data and your cookies in Microsoft Edge. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Edge, and from in here you're going to click on the three dots. Now once you're in here, you're going to go to settings and you'll come to this page. Now on the left hand side you'll be able to see privacy, search and services, and you want to open up this one. Now when you scroll down, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to delete browsing data, click clear browsing data now, and from in here you'll be able to see what you want to clear. Now you can simply choose all of them if you want. Just be careful about the passwords and stuff. If you have saved passwords, they will also be deleted. So if you want to keep your passwords, make sure this is not checked. And from here, the time range you can choose from when you want. So let's say you want to clear for the last week, or you can clear from all time. Now simply press clear now and it will then be cleared. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.